Hi, I'm Graham Bullock, CEO of Learning Alias. We teach Alias automotive modelling to the highest professional standards, that you can see. And bienvenido a todos los estudiantes hispánicos a nuestros cursos. Welcome to everybody from all around the world. And welcome to all our Learning Alias students. Okay, what is Learning Alias? Well, put quite simply, I started teaching Learning Alias 13 years ago when I realised there was a big gap between the level of Alias that universities teach, even at master's level, and the minimum entry requirement for OEMs. So I decided to fill that gap and give my experience, because I was at retirement age then, give my experience to younger, talented students that want to learn a really high professional level of Alias, much higher than you would learn in university. So I built about 300 tutorial videos. Since then, those videos have been remade to a much higher quality and are available in HD. If you subscribe to our course, you can stream these videos in your own time. So you have access 24/7. The videos are step by step, so very easy to follow. And you have support from one of our mentors. And I'd like to say something very quickly. We have mentors from one from Madrid, one from Argentina, and another one, Alejandro, who is the CEO of madacademy in Mexico. All of us, there's 4 of us together in a team, we're all bilingual in English and Spanish. So what happens if you want to learn Alias with us? Well, you simply buy one module. You could buy the first module, which is the vives module, or you could buy the second module, which is the CAS, computer-aided styling module. And then you work your way through, following the videos step by step, and then you can submit your work to your appointed mentor and get a review and tips and hints on how to improve your work. When you've completed your module, you will have the option of subscribing for the following module, which could be, for example, the subdivisional modelling module, or it could be the reverse engineering module, or the Class A principles, which is the Audi A5. Apart from those main modules, we have extensive interior work, and we have other vehicles that you can build. You will, in any case, build a Bugatti concept model in the reverse engineering module. But apart from those 2 cars, the A5 and the Bugatti concept model, you will also build at the end of the course a really prestigious car like the Porsche Cayman. So if you want to join us, we're here and we welcome you to our community, and simply subscribe for your first module, and then you can decide whether you want to continue with the course. And what I would like to say to you is that over the years, over the 13 years, every single student who's passed our exam and obtained a Learning Alias diploma has gone on to get a job in an automotive studio. So thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it, and we look forward very much to teaching you and helping you towards your goal of working in the automotive industry. I've been Graham Bullock, and thank you very much for your time, and look forward to seeing you. Bye bye. Adios.